In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp comments for team updates. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool designed to help teams stay organized, communicate efficiently, and manage their projects all in one place. One of its key features is the comments section, which allows you to provide updates, share progress, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can use ClickUp comments effectively and ensure your team stays on the same page. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're on the website, sign into your ClickUp account using your email address or a social login, such as Google or Microsoft. Now that you're logged in, locate the Spaces section on the left-hand side of your screen. Spaces in ClickUp act as dedicated areas for your teams, departments, projects, or even clients. Take a moment to find the space that corresponds to the area you're working on. Once you've identified the correct space, click on it to open its contents. Within the selected space, you'll see a collection of lists. These lists are where tasks are organized and stored. Select the specific list that contains the tasks you want to work on. Opening the list will allow you to view all the associated tasks and get an overview of everything that's currently in progress. From here, scan through the list to find the task you need to update. Tasks in ClickUp are usually displayed with their names and statuses, so take a moment to identify the one relevant to your update. Once you've located the task, click on it to open its detailed view. With the task open, navigate to the comments section. You'll typically find this section within the task's detail view, and it's the perfect place to share updates or collaborate with your team. Now, enter your update in the comments field. Be sure to include key details such as any changes that have been made, progress you've completed, blockers or challenges you're facing, and the next steps you plan to take. This ensures your team has all the context they need to keep the work moving forward. As you write your comment, focus on being clear, concise, and professional. Avoid unnecessary jargon and aim to make your update easy for your teammates to understand at a glance. Once you've reviewed your comment and you're confident it communicates the right information, go ahead and post it to finalize your update. And that's it. You've successfully used ClickUp comments to share a team update. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.